Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. So, today we have here Commodore 64 set up, and there we go. The monitor is coming on. Oh, I turned this way down. That's right. Excuse me. All right. So we'll poke 53280, poke 53281, 0, and there. Now, I was using copy-all to copy some disks. So I had extra copies of this Consumer Diag version 2 disc from Commodore, which I have. I guess I've had it, but I've never seen it before. So I'm going to load this program called System Test. And what is that? I don't know. I mean, I had a service department. I was the service department. I have no idea where this came from, when I got it, how I got it, and way back when. I have no clue. So, let's see. 1541 system test 970226J. Connect 0 cable and turn power. Interesting. Well, let's grab a blank disk, because I suspect it will want a blank disk. And put it into the disk drive. Alright, so we're on. Return to start full test. W to check write protect. S to check belt and adjust speed. Press F to check format. Press A to check stop adjustment. Press R to check read write. Press C to change system address. Interesting. Well, I'm just going to hit return. Insert a formatted disk halfway into the drive. Well, this disk is not formatted. Maybe I need to. Yeah, this disk is not formatted. Cannot read disk. Yeah, that's not surprising. Okay, well, that didn't go precisely as planned. Okay, so this is not a formatted disk, but it will be 15,8, 15, N0 colon test disk 64, and we'll say 64. Of course, there's a file open here. Okay, so we'll run this program. Let's check and see if the phone did charge overnight. It is 100% charged. My trick to keep this phone alive is quite simple. And that is In the settings, I whip down to battery, and I put it in low power mode. Battery health, 65%. Remember, this is an iPhone 6. So, low battery or low power mode or whatever means it quickly shuts itself off. No, not off. Turns off the screen. Because the screen uses most of the power. It does. Okay. Close 15. Okay, let's try this again. We have a wrong disk drive. Okay, return. Insert a formatted disk halfway into the drive. Press return. Okay. Step 2. Check for write protect off. Insert the disk fully into the drive. Press return. Checking. Okay. Preparing for speed belt test. Count will end at 30. Best belt test being done. Does an awful lot of disk flashing. Okay. Speed deviation. Stop adjustment test. It is making some funny noises there. Okay, pass. Formatting test. Please wait approximately 15 seconds. If further messages do not appear by this time, the format test has failed. Initializing phase OK. Format phase OK. Read write test. Hard to imagine that I have been involved in this community and been involved in such depth for so long without ever having seen this before. So it does seem to be writing to, let's say every second track, leaving out the even ones, but now it's reading and writing to all the rest. I wonder where this program is. System passes test. Please remove formatted disk from drive before turning power off. Return to start next unit. Okay, well, that's interesting. Close 15. I'm just looking to see if there's any remark statements in here that would say where this came from. And I don't see any. I imagine it's from Commodore. It's on the Commodore disk or something that Commodore Commodore did. Well, there it is. RAM system test for 5041. Needs C64 computer. Imagine that. Imagine. All right. So here we have a freshly formatted disk. You know what? At least I think it's a freshly formatted disk. So let us load. See if that holds in the buffer long enough. It does. Let's load the directory. Okay, so it is, but it's done things to the disk There's only 34 blocks free, and the header has certainly changed, so I would say it's been manipulated. Let's take this disk. What we got here? 10 past. Why do I think? Because this program is exactly the same size. It's where you can run this through 10 times or 100 times. I think. Maybe we'll load final test. We will. Anyway, using copy all, which is not the fastest thing, but it's a great program. A great utility by Jim Butterfield. I have made now, I think, an extra 2 or so copies of this disk. It's good to have backups. Things happen. It is a big program. All right, put this disk carefully over here. Clear the screen. Type run. Is this the first test today? Yes. Enter the test computer number. Oh, okay. Time of day. Connect computer cable. System connect printer cable to system. Apply power to system. Determining system type. Printer off or not connected. All right. This takes a printer. Oh dear, dear, dear. Well, I guess at this moment then, I guess at this moment we won't do this. 1540 final test. Uses 64 only. Maybe the printer is so that results can be printed and documentation of the test can be shown. Well, I'll have to sort out a printer at this moment. But not at this moment. Oh, there's no disk in there. Okay. New. Let's see. There's a program here called C64 Burn In. It doesn't look very long. Okay. So it's a 1-block program that then loads this bigger program. Once again, I've never seen these before. Never, ever, 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 ever. Interesting. Commodore 64 diagnose. It is checking RAM. So I guess the idea behind this is we leave it sit for some while. And it does things with colors. And it does things with the SID chip. And that's what it does. Okay, well, I guess I'll leave that to burn in. See what happens. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.